Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell you about the new mini drive fog light which I have ordered. That is Maving's mini drive fog light. I will show you. Yeah, this is the one which I have ordered from Flipkart. So yeah, let's unbox it and let's check how well it works.
Got the man with the plan right here. Bringing swag with the man right here. Living it up fun, sipping on beer.
So yes guys, this is the box. Yeah, we'll just unbox it. Oh, okay. Not a good package. Okay, so here we have the brand name Maving's. Yeah, mini driving light. Dual color. 3000 luminous. Oh, they have removed this watt. Actually in the Flipkart it is mentioned as 30 watt. Let's check how much watt is this. So they have removed this chance that they have given some low level fog light. Yeah, let's check now anyhow. It later. So in this box we have switch is coming along with the fog light. This is one good thing guys, because usually the switch will not come in like HJG brands, so we need to order it separately. Yes, this is for handlebar or for mirror rod. Okay, good. Yes, here's the light guys. It's the bulb. Oh, it doesn't have any. We need to check for the fan whether it's available or not. Looks a little bit bigger only. So yes, we have two lights. And we have some screws and nuts and bolts along with this, and also we have some clamps to mount it. The metal sounds, yeah. Okay, let's mount it now. Let's do the connection and let's check how Maving's fog light works. Guys, this is how the fog light installation looks like. So since my crash guards are not wide enough, I have used one small thickness plate. Here you can see here the lengthier plate. Over that mounting plate I have added these two fog lights on each side of number plate. So for mounting for this plate, what I have done is, you can see here two bolts over here. So these two bolts are used for mounting the number plates. So I have used the same thing. I have used the same pitches for mounting this intermediate plate, and I have used the same holes on the side of each. I have added these two fog lights, and the connection, electric connection and all is done by outside, since we need to remove the headlight and we need to give the negative and positive lights for each, because it has both high beam and low beam. So the mechanical mounting part is like this. So guys, let us test our fog light today. Okay, so you can see my surround is fully darkened. Let me try with my stock light. Let me turn on my engine. Yeah, this is my stock light in low beam, it is in my high beam. Let me turn on, it's in default now, let's in low beam. Let me turn on my fog light in low beam. Yeah, this is how the look is. And with high beam you can see how much area it is covering. I think it's pretty good, but I'm impressed with the low beam. Yes guys, so this is the low beam and this is the high beam, and this is with high beam fog light. Yeah, thank you.